I'm wasted. My
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you guys are doing amazing. The video I'm going to do today is going to be a transformation video, and I'm going to be recreating Kim Kardashian's glam from the Met Gala. Like, I'm shook. I can't even explain how beautiful she looked. Her outfit, her glam squad, everything. It was just so on point. So I'm going to pay homage to her. I have actually done a Kim Kardashian transformation before. I'll link it up here somewhere on the screen. So definitely check that out if you guys haven't already seen it. But yeah, today I'm going to do a full transformation and turn myself into Kim K. Well, as much as I can. I know I don't look anything like her. So yeah, with all that said, if you guys want to see me transform into Kim Kardashian and recreate her Met Gala glam, then keep on watching. Wait, you guys didn't just think I was doing a makeup transformation? No. I am going all out, and as you guys can see, I have freshly dyed hair. I'm kidding. I love changing up my hairstyle with coloured hairsprays, and this one is literally just a black coloured hairspray that I literally found in my local $2 store. This is my favourite one I have ever found. I've been doing this for years, like changing my colour with coloured hairsprays, and this is by far my favourite one I've ever used, except it stinks like celery and coriander. Oh, I love celery, but I hate coriander. It's like in my lungs. Whoa. So I'm going to start off with the skin today. I'm going to start off with primer. And this is my Loreal Infallible Mattifying Primer. And I'm just going to apply this primer all over my skin using a flat foundation brush. This is my G18 brush by Napoleon Perdis. Who were your favourite Met Gala looks from this year, guys? I loved Ariana Grande's. Oh my god. I actually filmed a recreation of Ariana Grande's look, which I don't know if you would have already seen it. I'm not sure whether it'll be up before or after this video. But Kim Kardashian was without a doubt my favourite. I just love her so much. Sarah Jessica Parker, always, absolutely always. She is such a fashion icon, and she's truly one of my favourite people in the whole wide world. And I also really loved SZA. I'm not sure how to pronounce her name, but oh my god, she looked beautiful. Kate Bosworth. I really liked her, and Michael B. Jordan, but just because I'm also so in love with him, it's not funny. Now to add some glow to my skin, I'm going in with my Josie Maran Illuminiser. This is her Argan Enlightenment Illuminiser. Kim's makeup was quite glowy, but her skin definitely wasn't the feature. It was definitely all about her eyes. But the skin, and as her skin always does, just looked really beautiful, and I think an illuminizer really aids in making the skin just look so beautiful. Now, I have quite oily skin, and this illuminizer is really good if you have oily skin. Don't be scared of illuminizers like I used to be. Kim's skin was so tanned and so bronzy, so I'm going to try and replicate that. I'm going to go in with my Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Caramel, which is a beautiful foundation, but I'm mainly using it for the colour. It's a really beautiful, rich, tanned colour. And then I'm going to mix it through with a tiny little sample of a Marc Jacobs foundation. I can't remember the exact foundation, but I'll leave it down in the description box below. But I'm just going to mix these two together and then pop them all over my skin. And you know what? I might add a pump of my Illuminizer in as well. Oh, that foundation combo is beautiful. I feel like you guys are far away. Oh, this foundation combo is to die for. It's sitting so nicely on the skin. The Met Gala is without a doubt my favourite red carpet of the whole year. I get so excited for it every year. This, you guys, is without a doubt my favourite foundation combo I've worn since I can remember. I mean, you guys can see for yourself. How gorgeous is that? And to conceal, I'm going to mix two of my favourites, my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Vanilla and my Tarte Tape Shape Concealer in Light Medium Honey. And then on a flat synthetic brush, just going to pop this underneath the eye. Going to bring that nice and high up on the cheekbone so we get that really nice lift, which will work well because my hair is nice and lifted. And time to blend out, I'm going to go in with my damp beauty blender. What do you guys think of me with black hair, by the way? I meant to ask you before. Do you guys like it? Do you think it suits me? In high school, I was black for years, and one of my favourites was when I went blue black. That was my mum's favourite. I don't think I could do it again. Well, definitely not in the in the near future anyway, because I just love being blonde so much. That's when I feel my prettiest, when I have blonde hair. I'm naturally brunette. Just gonna go in with a tiny bit more, which I definitely don't need. I've got so much makeup on already, but I don't want to waste the leftover product on the back of my hand. Does anyone else like that? I'm like, oh, it's there, I can't waste it. Doesn't matter, this look is very glam, so a little bit more won't hurt. And to set, going in with my Coty Airspun Loose Translucent Powder. So I'll just pick that up on my beauty blender. Just going to press that in underneath the eye and on top. I'm definitely going to come back and put some bronzy glow back into the skin, but I do just want to set it before I go in with any of those powders. And I'm oily, so I'm going to set my skin. Now moving on to bronzing. Now, as I said before, Kim was so tanned and so bronzed, so I'm going to use a couple of products to achieve that look. I'm going to start off with my MAC Studio Fix powder, and I'm going to take the shade NW45. NW45 is just a really beautiful, rich, tanned colour, and the Studio Fix powder is a powder foundation as well, so it's going to give a little bit of extra coverage, but it's also just going to make the skin look really flawless. I'm just going to start by taking this around the hairline. I've seen Kim do this in tutorials because she likes to shorten her forehead. I quite like the size of my forehead, but I also love to contour, so. But this colour is super warm, so if you want a tan, this is your best friend. I'm going to take this just a touch over the cheek, just for a bit of colour and a bit of balance. I'm definitely going to lay this underneath the jaw, and this is going to start my jaw contour. Okay, so now we're going to add a little bit of a bronzy glow. I'm first going to go in with my Mecca Max Sunlit Skin Bronzer. This bronzer is really beautiful and golden, and it's got a little bit of a glow through it. So it's going to start to help giving us a bit of a glow. And then, of course, my Bed Illuminiser by the Balm, which is a beautiful, like, high shimmery bronzer. So I'm going to hit that a bit on the chin, a little bit on the tip of the nose, a little bit over the cheek, a little bit over the forehead. Can you guys peep that glow? And now my last step to really chisel and contour, I'm going to go in with my Australis Contouring and Highlight Kit. This is a powder one, and I'm just going to mix these two shades here. Now, I say this all the time, these are crazy pigmented, so just be careful. And then last but not least, I'm just going to take this banana shade here. I'm just going to pop that underneath the eye to brighten. I wish I had the KKW Beauty brightening powders, but unfortunately I don't. But this Australis contour kit is a really, really, really great affordable alternative. I love this palette. Okay, that's my skin done. So now I'm going to quickly do brows. Today I'm going to take my Chi Chi Brow Pomade, and I'm going to take medium brown. Even though it says medium brown, to me it's quite dark, and because I've got black hair, I'm definitely going to darken my brows because Kim naturally has darker brows. So yeah, this is what I'm going to use to create a darker Kim K inspired brow. So I'm going to quickly hop off camera, pop my brows on, and I'll be right back. So my brows are on. I feel like they look a little bit crazy, but I know once my glam's finished, they'll look fine. So moving straight on to eyes. The absolute focus of Kim's look was black eyeliner. Top and bottom smoked out. It was so beautiful, and I tried so hard to get as many different pictures I could of like different angles of her eyes, but I didn't really get any with her eyes closed. At most I got like a screenshot of when she was looking down on Snapchat, but she had a filter on, so it distorted the eyes a little bit. But regardless, it doesn't really matter what eyeshadows you use. As I said, it really is all about the eyeliner and the lashes as well. I forgot about the lashes. So all I'm really going to do is just put some bronzers and contour shades just through my socket and through my outer corner. Doesn't really matter what we use. So I'm just actually going to use my Australis contour kit, and I'm just going to start by popping these through the socket. I've heard Kim say in like interviews and tutorials and stuff that she loves using bronzers and like contour shades on the eyes. So I feel like this is okay. So as I said, I'm really not worried with this eyeshadow. This is literally going to be the quickest component of this whole tutorial. I'm literally just slapping this through my socket. Also going to go on the outer corner as well. I heard Kim say in an interview at the Met Gala yesterday that her and Mario went for like 90s supermodel vibes with the glam, which I live for. So exciting. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly stop and go in with an actual bronzer. This is a L'Oreal Glam Bronze Latera, which is very warm. It's quite orange actually. Just going to pop this over the top just because I want a little bit of warmth. It's looking a little bit more cool toned. I literally could have done this shadow look with my eyes closed. And now I'm just going to mix a couple of those colours and put them underneath the eye. Doesn't really matter because it's really all about the eyeliner, but I just want something there so we're not naked. And now before I go in with the gel liner, something that I think she did was, I reckon that she did a black eyeshadow and really smoked it out before she went in with the eyeliner. As I said, I was dissecting and analysing these photos all day yesterday. So that's what I'm going to do. So any black eyeshadow will do. I have my Urban Decay Naked 2 palette here, so I'm just going to use the black in the palette. And just on an angle brush, just going to start pushing this at the lash line. So we just have the base of that line. Okay, so I did just go in and finish this eye. So I did just have another quick look at some photos. And as I said, her lashes are so big, you can't really see the eye makeup, but this is what I reckon she did. So let's just pop on a wing. And again, this does not have to be neat at all. It's like the messier, the sexier it'll look. And then with the MAC 224 brush, just gonna blend over that black shadow. And this Urban Decay black eyeshadow, I haven't used it for ages. I forget how beautifully it blends. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in and reapply that eyeshadow. So now we've applied and we're gonna go back in and blend. Okay, so that's done. Now I'm gonna take my Inglot AMC Gel Liner in number 77, which is a black gel liner, and just on a really nice fine eyeliner brush by Napoleon Perdis, we're gonna start the eyeliner. So Kim went right into her tear duct. So just gonna follow the lash line. That line that we created with the black eyeshadow is our best friend. So we've done the line, now I'm gonna do the wing. Again, I can't tell if Kim has a wing, but I think she does. So that is the top of our eyes done. Now to smoke out the bottom, I'm going to start off by going right in on the waterline and joining that liner up at the tear duct. So now that that's in our waterline, I'm just going to start dragging that eyeliner into my lash line. And then on my MAC 239 brush, just going to start blending that liner out. And don't forget to get really in there in the lash line so we don't have any skin showing. I want that to be nice and black. Oh, I'm feeling smoky. And I'm just going to take my 224 brush by MAC just to run under so there's no super harsh lines. So that is my Kim K eyes done. Lashes I'm going to take today are Lily lashes. Now I saw Mario's post this morning and he actually used Lily lashes in the style Goddess. I don't have those, but I thought I would just use another pair of Lily lashes that I have. And yeah, I think these are called Opulence. If not, it'll be listed down in my description box. Hi, we have lashes. Okay, so for lips she had on a nude, which I love. So it was like a nude, almost like ombre brownie beige lip, very 90s, which I love. So I'm actually going to go in with a brown eyeliner pencil and I'm just going to use that to line my lips. Don't worry, I know it is going to look so ridiculous, but I promise it'll come together. Okay, and I'm just going to get a brush, just blend that line. Oh, this is so 90s. So like Pamela, like Linda Evangelista. Oh, that still looks crazy dark. I promise it will come together. So I'm going to take my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London, a really beautiful nude beige brown. And I'm also going to use this to kind of blend my lip line as well. See, it's starting to come together, I promised. And now I'm going to go in with another NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is in Cairo, which is a super pale nude. It's almost like a wearable concealer colour, I would say. I'm just going to pop this in the centre. Ooh, pretty. Okay, I'm just making sure my hair looks good. Okay, you guys, so that is my finished Kim K transformation. Doing makeup inspired by her Met Gala look this year. I am absolutely obsessed. I have not felt this glamorous, honestly, in a really long time. And when I do makeup like this with black hair, it just makes me want to dye my hair black so badly. I won't, but I like it. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this transformation tutorial. Please let me know what you think in the comments down below. I love hearing what you guys have to say. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already done so. And until my next video, guys, I'll see all of you soon. Take care, guys. Bye.